yet, but you can bet that I'm going to. There ain't shit I won't do, no shit that I won't go through. Cause I got nothing to lose and something to prove to all of you. I'm already spitting better than most of these kids on YouTube. And we only on track 3, the fans wanna back me. Haters wanna attack me, but I ain't gonna track beef that I don't need. So go and stone me, or blow me if you below me. I'll sit your ass down and listen if you don't know me. I ain't surprised people saying, yo, who the hell is he? Simply a symbol of heresy, the meanest MC that no one will ever see. Legendary, a legend tree, cause he gon' grow indefinitely. Instrumentally, independently, hip-hop's always been a friend of me, and a friend of me. But just like the Beatles, I'll let it slide, I'll let it be. Yo, I'll let it be. Song 1 for the future, 2 for the past. Don't like where I'm going, you can kiss my ass. I'll even spice it up for you with some shards of glass and a nasty rash. Unless I'm pretty cocky for someone who ain't done shit. Feel like so far in my life I've been living in a dungeon. My enemies are surrounded by bodyguards, but I'm gonna get a punchin'. I'm bashing in their skulls, breaking their bones, you can hear the crunching. I got it jerried in my bloody hands, stabbing and lunging. Surely you gotta admit that I'm the shit, so you better start plunging.